Subscribe to Oziva TV and hit the bell icon for more updates on fitness, nutrition, and wellness.
What's going on, guys? My name is Miten Kakaya.
And I'm Kunakshi Bafna.
And we are your fitness coaches for the next 14 days, bringing you the 14-day Oziva Fitness Challenge. So guys, over the next 14 days, you can work out with us from the comfort of your homes. What we're going to basically be doing is Kunakshi is going to demonstrate a beginner version of certain exercises, whereas I will be doing a slightly more advanced, challenging versions of the same. So the first exercise for the day is push-ups, whereas I'll be doing push-ups on the floor. Kunakshi will be doing a beginner version, which is
Push-ups.
a wall push-up. Second exercise we're going to be doing is mountain climbers, and the third exercise is plank dips. With each of these exercises, our aim is to continue doing the movement for 40 seconds, followed by a 20-second rest for a total of 3 sets, and then we rest for 60 seconds at the end of the first exercise. Then we move on to the second exercise, same thing, 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off, repeat 3 rounds, rest for 60 seconds, and same for the third exercise. Okay guys, the first exercise for the day is push-ups. If you can't do a push-up, complete range on the floor, my friend Kunakshi over here will do the push-ups on the wall. You can follow her as you do it. Okay, everyone in position. We go in 3, 2, 1, and let's go.
This is a very easy way to begin your push-ups, and Miten is going to explain to you further.
So remember guys, इस exercise को 40 seconds के लिए करना है, so please don't be in a rush, pace yourself, find a good rhythm, ताकि आप इस exercise को 40 seconds के लिए non-stop करते रहे. अगर आपसे ये exercise floor पे नहीं हो रही है, तो please कुनाक्षी को follow कीजिए और इसे wall पे करिए.
I'm enjoying this. It's easy.
Okay, and 3, 2, 1, and relax. Nice one guys, good job. We rest for 20 seconds and go with the second set of the same exercise. Okay guys, so let's get started with the second set in 3, 2, 1, and 40 seconds. Let's go. Pace yourself. Remember, full range push-ups, no half efforts over here. We are doing this exercise only for a total of 10 minutes. So let's give it our best. Come on guys, keep pushing.
Try to bring your chest to your wall and push back from your hands. Press the hands into the wall.
So remember, push your hands into the floor or into the wall so that you can bring your chest up.
Don't give up, guys. Come on, keep going.
Okay, last couple of seconds. And nice one, people. Nice one. Good job. So proud of you. We rest for 20 seconds and then we start with the third set of the same exercise. Okay guys, first exercise, last set. Let's give it our best. Let's go in 3, 2, 1, and go. Easy, come on, push it. It's the last time you're doing push-ups today. Give it all you got. Take your time. Don't rush through these reps. All the way down, all the way up. No half reps, and keep pushing. Kunakshi, everything okay?
Yes, everything okay. Guys, if you can't go down too low, it's fine. Don't beat up yourself. Just keep going and keep motivating one another. And you'll do better after every day.
Okay, last few reps. Come on, squeeze it in. So that was the end of the first exercise for our first day of the 14-day challenge with Oziva. Okay guys, I hope you all are well rested. We have a couple of more seconds remaining. I'm going to give you a heads up about the next exercise, which is mountain climbers. Kunakshi and I are going to do mountain climbers on the floor at our own pace. मतलब आपको ये एक्सरसाइज अपने own pace पे करनी है ताकि आप इसको full 40 seconds तक कर पाए. ठीक है? Ready Kunakshi?
Yes.
Let's go.
Let's get rolling.
3, 2, 1 and go. So as you guys can see, Kunakshi is doing it slow, I'm doing it fast. You don't necessarily need to catch up to me or to catch up to Kunakshi. Do it at your own pace. What's important is that you don't stop for 40 seconds. So do it slow, do it fast, however you like, but don't stop. Kunakshi, everything fine?
Yes, just one tip I want to give all of y'all, that make sure your limbs are firmly placed onto the mat and slowly bring your knee to your elbows and keep your core tight.
3, 2, 1 and relax. That was the end of the first set of our second exercise, mountain climbers. Let's rest for about 20 seconds and we go again with the same exercise for another 40 seconds. Okay guys, everyone, let's get in position for the second set of mountain climbers. Start by keeping your hands right underneath your shoulders. Take your feet behind and from here, we simply bring one knee in and then the other. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Remember to pace yourself. Don't be in a rush. Don't slow down. Challenge yourself to do this exercise for complete 40 seconds. Keep pushing, guys.
Remember, try not to lift your back. Keep your ears away from your shoulders. Try to engage your core and bring your knee to your elbows.
It's a very simple exercise. Keep your back flat. Don't round it. Feel your core. Do the work. Slow down if you're getting tired, but don't stop. Okay, that was the end of second set. Nice one, guys. Give yourself a pat on your back. Let's relax for 20 seconds and then we go again with the third set of the same exercise. Okay guys, final set of this exercise. Get in position. Remember, hands underneath your shoulders, feet back, and 3, 2, 1 and push. If you thought your first two sets were easy, try to up your pace, challenge yourself. Remember, it's about getting out of your comfort zone. No one ever got the results inside their comfort zone. Push yourself and keep moving.
And if you're tired, you can just put your knees down and go back up again. Continue your set, but don't give up, guys.
Come on guys, last set of this exercise. Just a few more seconds. Keep pushing. Okay, come on Kunakshi. 3, 2, 1 and relax. Nice one. Kunakshi, good job. You
Thank
guys, amazing. Let's rest for 60 seconds and prepare for the next exercise, which you will see next. Okay guys, I hope you all are well hydrated. Now ready for the next exercise, the final exercise for the day. 3 more sets and this exercise is called plank dips. Get into the position, push our feet behind, and from here all we have to do is take our hips from right to left, right to left. Okay everyone, in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Pace yourself, don't be in a rush, do it slowly. You have to last this exercise for an entire 40 seconds. If you feel like giving up, don't.
So what you guys can do is come on your knees and then get back into the position. Hold the plank. If you are feeling it difficult to go side to side, just hold it.
Remember, the pause which Kunakshi just showed you is not to be taken for more than 2 to 3 seconds. It's just so that you can get a breather in between, but keep pushing for the entire 40 seconds. Nice one, guys. Good job. Keep pushing. Let's rest for 20 more seconds and we go with this exercise once again.
So guys, you're ready for round 2. He's going to do an advanced variation. I'm going to do a modified variation with you guys. So go slow, go at your pace, and if you feel stronger, then go at Mithin's pace. So get into the position first. Put your elbows down onto the mat. Bring your feet up and make sure your hips are not up and you are in one long line. Ears away from your shoulders. Then bring your hips side to side. So start with your right or left. Let's get rolling. 3, 2, 1. Mithin, ready?
Yep.
1. Come on, breathe out and go side to side. Guys, remember to be on your own speed. It's not a marathon. Go slow. Mithin, come on.
Come on, guys, keep pushing. Second set. Just a few more minutes and we'll be done for the day. You've come in so far. You can't give up just yet. Let's keep pushing. Okay, last 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Good job, Kunakshi. Nice one, you guys. Last set for the day remaining. Let's rest for about 20 seconds and we go again. Okay guys, we are on the last set for the day. Last set, best set. Let's give it our best in 3, 2, 1 and push. Don't give up. Keep pushing, keep doing, keep hustling. Come on guys, I believe in you and you got this. Kunakshi is not giving up. She's coming back on even after those mini breaks. So if you're happening to stop by, it's okay, but get back on. Remember, the timer is still running. We got 40 seconds to cover. We've done so well so far. This is the final lap and go, 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 go. Whew. And that brings us to the end of the first day of our 14-day challenge. I hope you guys were able to push through. If you have completed all these exercises, make sure you give yourself a big tap on your back. Nice one, Kunakshi. Nice one, you guys. Okay, so that brings us to the end of our day 1. I hope you guys had as much fun as much Kunakshi and I did. You can feel your heart pumping inside. It's okay, simply lie down on the floor for the next 2 to 5 minutes and you can get your heart rate back to normal and resume your activities. But so happy that you guys completed this 10 minutes of our day 1 of the Oziva 14-day fitness challenge.
I believe in supplementing myself after my workout, and definitely protein is the best fuel you can give yourself. So I have been taking Oziva's plant-based protein, and guys, it is absolutely amazing.
Make sure that you get yourself ample rest and we will see you guys tomorrow with the second day of our workouts.